Hello, in front of me I've got Mitsubishi Grandis. In this video I'll show you best apps for car. Thanks to Play Store installed on the car's system, we've got access to many apps. Select Menu and Play Store. Next, make sure that you are connected to your Google account and then explore all apps. You can also search directly the app. Now, the best apps in my opinion are Prime Video, HBO Max and Crunchyroll. You can also install Google Chrome, Game Snacks, Angry Birds for Automotive, but be careful because this game is paid. Next, we've got Car Fireplace and some games. Also, we've got 2048 game to pass the time when you are parked. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.